Welcome to the 2023 Mathematics Framework for California Public Schools. This framework serves as a guide and is designed to help implement the California Common Core State Standards for Mathematics, adopted in 2010 and updated last in 2013. This first chapter, Mathematics for All, Purpose, Understanding, and Connection, kicks off by emphasizing the importance of math in everyday life. It likens a society without math to a city without parks or museums, essentially missing out on the beauty and practicality of mathematical ideas. This framework is built on three key principles: focus, coherence, and rigor. These principles ensure that California students gain a deep, meaningful understanding of mathematics that connects to real-world context. The framework is primarily for teachers, as teachers have the most direct impact on students' mathematical proficiency. It also serves other educators and stakeholders involved in supporting math education, such as publishers of instructional materials. This framework lays out an approach to curriculum and instruction that harnesses and builds on students' curiosity and sense of wonder about the mathematics they see around them. Learning math is crucial because it provides tools for understanding and shaping the world. However, math can either launch students into numerous career paths or act as a gatekeeper that shuts them out. The framework seeks to ensure equity so that all students, regardless of background, have access to high-quality math education. Students learn best through active engagement, questioning, problem-solving, and reasoning. This chapter stresses the importance of creating math classrooms that foster student agency, encouraging them to see math as a tool for making sense of the world. Research shows that mathematical understanding is not confined to a single area of the brain, but involves interconnected systems that grow with use. Equity is a central framework theme. Mathematics can serve as a powerful launchpad for nearly any career or course of study. However, it can also be a gatekeeper that shuts many students out of those pathways to success. The framework acknowledges the significant racial and socioeconomic gaps in math achievement and aims to dismantle the barriers that prevent many students from succeeding. It promotes the idea that all students can achieve high levels of mathematical understanding when given the right opportunities and support. The framework advocates for teaching math through big ideas that connect to real-world problems. This approach helps students see the relevance of math in their lives and keeps them engaged. It also highlights the importance of varied instructional practices, such as collaborative problem solving and using multiple representations of mathematical concepts. Effective math instruction involves investigating the why, how, and what of math. Teachers are encouraged to design lessons that connect these elements, helping students see the coherence and purpose behind their learning. The why includes the three drivers of investigation. The how revolves around the standards for mathematical practices, and the what includes content connections. The why, how, and what guide instruction and create a coherent learning experience. Assessment is another key framework component. The framework emphasizes the need for assessments that measure focus, coherence, and rigor, ensuring that students are not just memorizing procedures, but truly understanding mathematical concepts. In conclusion, this first chapter invites educators to reimagine mathematics education, aiming for a future where all students are equipped with the mathematical knowledge and skills to thrive in their personal and professional lives. A key component of this equitable, engaging teaching is planning math teaching around big ideas. Teachers teach their grade-level big ideas by designing instruction around student investigations of intriguing, authentic problems framed by a conception of the why, how, and what of mathematics. When implemented as intended, such investigation can tap into students' curiosity and motivate students to learn focused, coherent, and rigorous math. This approach to math education is the means to both teach math effectively and make it accessible to all students. Chapter 1 sets the stage for a transformative approach to math education, one that values curiosity, relevance, and deep understanding.